Technique number two. Technique number two is called bracketing. Bracketing. What on earth does that mean? All right, here's bracketing. Where do we tend to meet? In the middle. What's more fair than that? Met in the middle. All the lines came together. We met in the middle. Okay, well, we know that generally is what happens. We meet in the middle. So here's what bracketing means. Engineer where the middle is. Let's make the middle to be exactly where we need it to be and where we want it to be. That's bracketing. What do I mean by that? Well, you have a target price. You know there's a price, and we'll work through the formula, so I'll figure this out on Saturday, but we know there's a price where that's going to work for you. So we need to get there. So when you ask them how much they want for the property, they give you a number. It's almost always higher, right? Okay, well, how much higher is it? That's their asking price. How much higher is that than where we need to be? Let's take that amount and go and start the same amount below. So we want to be the same amount below the target price as they are above the target price. That's bracketing. So we've made our target the middle, artificially. Okay? So let's just put an example out there. Let's say we need $150,000. If we can get this property for $150 grand, we would make money. In this theoretical example. Got it? So if I say, how much are you asking for the property? And the seller says $200,000, what do we say?
What?
What do we say first? Yeah, thank you. Karen wins. Kim, give Karen a special present tonight. She's doing good. Yes, but we say, oh, $200,000. Yeah, first we inflate. These are all stacked. It's a negotiation stack for a reason. How we put the stacking is, yeah. So we was like, $200,000, but fine. This seller is $50,000 above where we need to be. We're supposed to be at 150. She's at 200. Okay, that's 50 grand high. So where do we start? 100,000.